We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Camping Cooler Backpack 30 Cans by Vankor. This soft backpack cooler is designed to keep food and drinks cold or warm for extended periods, making it ideal for picnics, camping, beach trips, work, and travel. The backpack cooler can hold up to 30 cans and features insulated, leak-proof, and waterproof construction. Users appreciate its practical design, multi-purpose storage, and durability. The Vankor Cooler Backpack stands out for its thoughtful design and functionality. It has a main insulated compartment for drinks and food, two side mesh pockets perfect for bottles or cans, and a front pocket for smaller items like snacks, wipes, or a phone. The backpack is made from polyester with a premium leak-proof PIVA lining that helps maintain temperature and prevents leaks. The sturdy stitching and durable materials contribute to a long service life. Many users highlight the backpack's ability to keep items cold for several hours, especially when combined with ice packs or ice cubes. One of the most praised features is the size and shape of the backpack. It is taller than many similar products, which allows it to hold more items without being bulky. This makes it a convenient alternative to traditional coolers, especially for those who want to carry their cooler on their back comfortably. The mesh back panel adds breathability, reducing discomfort from heat buildup when worn for extended periods. Users have reported that the backpack is very easy to clean, with water-resistant materials allowing spills to run off without soaking in. The zippers are noted to work smoothly and reliably, contributing to the overall quality feel of the product. The side and front pockets add to the organizational capacity, which is useful for keeping various items separate and accessible. However, some users have experienced issues with the backpack sweating or leaking. Despite the leak-proof lining, condensation from ice packs or melting ice can sometimes cause moisture to seep through, resulting in a wet back or damp contents. This has been a point of concern for those using the backpack for long periods or carrying it close to their body. Some reviewers suggest using additional waterproof bags inside to prevent leaks. The backpack is also praised for its versatility. It fits airline carry-on size requirements, making it suitable for travel. It is recommended for various outdoor activities, including hiking, kayaking, dog walking, soccer trips, and racing events. The lightweight design and comfortable straps make it easy to carry, even when fully loaded. Overall, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack offers excellent value for its price. It combines practical features, durability, and portability in a well-made product. While not completely leak-proof in all situations, it performs well in keeping food and drinks cold and organized for hours. The backpack is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable cooler that is easy to carry and use in multiple outdoor scenarios. If you own this cooler backpack, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to purchase. In summary, the Camping Cooler Backpack 30 Cans by Vankor is a durable, well-designed, and functional cooler backpack that meets the needs of outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. It is highly recommended for those who want a convenient way to keep their food and drinks fresh and cool on the go.